With the Wave Threading Generator, precision threading has never been easier. This advanced web application by Macromill revolutionizes the way we approach CNC threading operations. No more tedious calculations or guesswork. Just a few clicks transform complex parameters into optimized G-code and CNC macros tailored specifically for your machine. Whether you're working on internal or external threads, fine or coarse pitches, you have complete control over every critical detail. Pitch, diameter, depth, pass count, and entry/exit radius. The intuitive interface allows you to define these parameters with absolute accuracy, ensuring that your threading operations are not only efficient, but also flawless. Once you've set your specifications, the Wave Threading Generator delivers ready-to-use outputs that streamline your workflow. Say goodbye to the hassle of manual programming and embrace a tool that enhances productivity and precision in your manufacturing processes. This is the future of threading, efficient, accurate, and designed for engineers who demand the best.